add Discord link to TikTok bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can add your Discord link to your TikTok bio. The steps are same for both iOS and Android devices and PC as well. So first you need to go ahead and open your Discord application, or you can also go to the website of Discord. From here you can get the link. For that you need to tap on your profile picture in the bottom. Tap on the user settings icon. Then scroll all the way down and go to advanced, that is under app settings. Make sure that the developer mode is turned on, and if it's disabled, simply enable it, and this needs to be turned on to get your link. Now go to any Discord server where you want to send a message. Now tap on your profile picture within this server. You will see 3 dots in the top. Tap on more and you will see the option of copy user ID. Simply tap on that. Now you have the user ID. Now go to your profile of your TikTok, tap on the settings icon, tap on edit profile, which is highlighted in red color. And here in the bio section, you can simply enter your user ID and write Discord and then tap on save. But if you're using your mobile device, you will see the option of link and you can tap on that and simply paste your user ID over there as well. Keep in mind that you need to have over 1,000 followers to add more links like Discord and other social media platforms besides Instagram and YouTube. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.